Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mr. Easy here, and today Capcut has finally decided to drop a desktop version in English, which was previously known as Yang Pro, but was only released for China, and of course it was Chinese. I got access to the program but could never find a way to put it in English. It has finally dropped, and I think this is great for a lot of people, especially for beginners starting to edit. So with that said, let's get into today's video. Like and subscribe, and hope you guys enjoy the video. I will be leaving the link of the program where you guys can download it for free, whether you guys are on Windows or Mac or anything else. It will let you download it. As you guys can see here, I will fast forward this because I don't want the video to be that long, but first step is downloading. Once downloaded, this will be the option that I so wanted like 2 years ago, but either way, just click the language you want it and you're good to go. After that, it will say testing environment, which is basically just benchmarking your computer to make sure it can run it properly. Once installed, a walkthrough will pop up, and if you are new to Capcut on desktop, I would highly suggest you read it. It's just a walkthrough and it will explain to us the basics of this program. As you can see now, I'm inside Capcut on desktop and it's in English. This looks so beautiful. This is the old one that just popped up. Either way, coming back over here, we have media where we can import, export, and everything that we might need. We can sign in on Capcut over here. We have green screens, templates, backgrounds, sceneries, and a lot of stuff that may be useful without having to download on other sources. So this is pretty cool. It's just the same as the Yang Pro version I showed you guys. And here we have audios. We have some sound effects, and wow, it's actually pretty cool. But yeah, going on, we have the text. We have effects of art. We have these that look like comic text. We have stickers. I really don't use these, but over here, this is the one that interests me. Wow, this has changed because on the Yang Pro, we have even different icons. So I'm not going to go through all of them, but I'm guessing there might be some transitions and effects that we might have over here that we don't have over there, or we have over there that we don't have over here. So that's pretty interesting. The filters, and this is custom, so you guys just drag it in and you guys can wiggle with it, enhancing your video or image. Yes, this is pretty cool. This is going to be so useful to a lot of people. Another thing that I want to remind you guys is that for some reason Capcut on desktop isn't as demanding as other programs like Photoshop or Adobe Effects. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you guys need a tutorial on how to use this, I will upload it. See you next time, guys.